Go. Stop. Right there. Yes. Does everybody have the resource? Perfect. Now this is what I want you to do in this moment. Grab your triple beam balance. Measure the amount of that resource that you took. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag and can you do this one? I don't think so. The only one that you're supposed to be moving is this one now. There you go. So how much? 9.5. Write it in. As soon as you have the number of grams, then write it in, please. Así lo puedes dejar. You have. Listo. 5. Done. If it's petroleum and if it's coal, can I return those back to Earth? No, because they are non-renewable. So then put them in the bag. If it's water or sun, can you return those to Earth? Yes, because they are renewable. So if you're sun or if you're water, put them back. If you are petroleum or coal, put it in the bag. What is this one? Solar and there you go. Oh, that's a lot.
Con estos hacen los chetos esos.
What do you have? Oh, can you return it? No. So put it in the bag. Now, I think everybody is ready, right? What about this one? Oh yeah, water. Not too bad. We'll put it back. Now, tiene que hacerlo más rápido. Están mezclando mucho. What is this, water? Yeah. Okay, we're ready for our second round. Now that you know what to do, the second round is going to be a little bit faster, right? Are we ready? So which resources went back to Earth, class? Water and sun. Okay. Which resources were not returned to Earth? Petroleum and coal. Why not? They're non-renewable. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and do this. Go ahead. Now. Everybody does it. Everybody does it. Close your eyes and get yours. I'm just gonna give you 1 minute and 30 seconds to do this, okay? No. Los que estaban acá.
I got 10 cents. I'm washed, so I can sit down. Good, I I have to let it go.
Come on, quick. Acá te esto, ¿cuánto quedó? 7. Porque lo dice todo. Okay, guys, let's see here. This is what you are supposed to be doing with this table in this moment. If you have water, you began with 50 grams, right? She gathered 9 grams, and then what is the amount remaining then? 15 minus 9 equals? 41. But what happened to water? Did she return it to her?
Yes.
Yes. So the next gathering, she began with 50. She gathered 6.5, and then what is left there? 43.5. Okay? Now, what is she going to be doing? What is the start amount in the next one? 50 again, because she returned everything back. Is that going to happen with petroleum or coal? No. What's going to happen with petroleum or coal? He began with 50. He gathered 5, left 45. Then he begins with 45. He gathered 5 grams. Amount remaining there is 40. The next gathering, he's going to begin with how much? 40 grams. And let's see how much he's going to gather. All right? Let's see. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, I need one person to please explain this to Amanda. We have the starting amount, 45, amount gathered, 4. How much does she have left? Which operation is she going to use? I need one person to explain that to her, please. One person. David, go ahead.
We started with 50, and the amount she had was 4.
And a half.
4.5, and so she has to subtract
50
minus 4.5.
equals 45 in this case. So then 45 minus 4, how much is that? All right, let's see. Your resource. Don't forget that you cannot be stealing the resource from your partner. Yeah. You can't be grabbing the resources from your partners. Done. Stop. Come on. Begin the process. You're getting experts doing this. So you begin with? Perfect. There you go. So how much do we have? 4? Okay. So here's 4 grams. What operation are we going to use? Petroleum, and you return the petroleum to the earth. Where is the rest? Right there. So get the 9 that you need. Good thing you kept it.
Yeah, because I have to return all of them to Earth.
Because they are renewable, but hers is not a renewable.
So they don't have to Earth.
Okay, guys. Thumbs up if you're done in your group measuring, please. Thumbs up. Thumbs up if your group is done. So we still have one more group over there. A few seconds, right? Okay, are we ready for our next gathering? All right, this is our 4th trial, and this is gonna be the last trial we're gonna do because of time, okay? Because I want you to do something else. Are we ready? This is the last trial. Set, go. Stop. Go ahead. And as you're becoming experts, I'm just going to give you 1 minute and 30 seconds to record it, measuring and recording.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, we can do it.
No cheating, no cheating, no cheating. Just put them back. 8. Yeah.
Five seconds, come on. You like my
You got a big nail right here. I got too many big nails. Hey, look at my eyes.
thumbs up if your group is done. We're still missing one more group over here. Almost done? Okay, 32. I can take away 4. It's 4.5. That's what it means. 4.5 is the same as 4.5. So 32 minus 4. 28. Minus 0.5. 27.5. So this divides. All right, I think we are done in this moment. I want you to gather your resource, please, and put it back in the bag. We're going to organize and we're going to discuss what happened during our simulation. And I'm just going to give you 1 minute and 30 seconds to clean up. Are we ready? 1 minute and 30 seconds. Everything back in the bags, please. One minute left for you to organize your materials. As soon as everybody, as soon as everybody has the pasta ready, materials manager takes the pasta to the back table, as well as the triple beam balance. As well as the triple beam balance. As well as the triple beam balance. Thank you. All right. Oh, 8 seconds left. And we should be ready. As well as the triple beam balance. Group number 3, please. Okay, guys. Now, this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. We're going to analyze the data that we have in our data table. Trial number 1, we see water starting amount. It all begins with what? 50, 50, 50, 50 grams, right? I want to see Elidio's. Elidio, what is your resource?
My resource was petroleum.
Petroleum, it says.
Oil.
Starting time, 50. Starting amount, sorry, 50 grams. Second trial, starting amount, 41 grams.
It's not, you cannot return it.
So that resource was not returned to the earth. What does it mean then?
That you can't use it.
That is a what?
Non-renewable.
A non-renewable. What does it mean, Mauricio? What is non-renewable, Mauricio?
That can be used once again
Because
because it takes millions of years to form.
it takes millions of years to form. Thank you, Mauricio. All right? Now we have the third trial is 31 grams. Less than that. Fourth trial, 14 grams. Amount remaining, 0. He gathered everything. Okay? Which means that petroleum, they didn't have more petroleum on this earth. It was gone, all gone. No more gas. How is that going to affect us if we don't have oil, we don't have petroleum?
You don't have no heat.
Okay, what else? Gas, no gas, right? And how do we use for the cars for transportation, right? For your mom or dad to get to their jobs, for me to get to my job as well. For you, for some of you to get to school. So what solutions can we find for that? For this not to happen, because 0 petroleum cannot happen. So what solutions can we find? Talk to your partner. Give me some solutions. What can we do?
Walk and not use that
So what do you think? I need my reporters. Reporters. Ready, reporters. I need solutions. Let's see here. Bernardo.
Like electricity cars.
Okay, so he says, well, Ms. Arisa, instead of using oil, we can find another alternative. And he says, well, electric cars, okay, we can use, what else can we use for those cars?
Batteries.
Okay, she says, Ms. Arisa, instead of a car, driving a car, use a bicycle. Okay,
the solar power car.
the solar power, right? We can use the power from the sun. Okay, we could walk. Any other possibility?
They should make a car where you can just pedal and get to your destination.
Just get, okay, so we have, he's gonna invent a car that he's just going to pedal the cars. Now guys, we said solar power. What is one disadvantage that we have with the solar power? One disadvantage, when I say disadvantage, drawback. One thing that, it's like using solar power could not be that good. Why, Arturo? Because when there's no sun, then we cannot get any power from the sun, right? That could be an option. So this is what I want you to do. I'm going to have this group, okay? You're going to use the iPad. You're going to use Photo Booth in order to report. You're going to report what we did today. And the question is right there in G-Block. The question is, how the simulation showed what we did today on Earth, showed what is happening to many of our Earth's limited natural resources. So what is happening to our natural resources? Okay, we're running out of petroleum, coal, fossil fuels. There you go. Okay, and you can give your explanation. This group, and we're going to have, let me see, this group too. Those two, you're going to write it on G-Block, okay? These two groups, you're going to type your comment on G-Block, all right? Go ahead. And that's the question that we have right there. No, right there. And the question is right there, too. And I'm just going to give you 3 minutes for disclosure. 3 minutes. Are you ready to say something? pictures for a little bit, and then you can record, one person can record the other's talking. It's up to you. You decide who's going to talk. You decide who's going to talk. You decide who's going to talk. Yes, I don't want any funky stuff. What is she gonna say? Do you know what you're gonna say? You say the question, what else are you gonna say? The answer as well. So what are you going to include in your answer? And they can help you as well. So how does this show? How does this show what's happening to our natural resources? Many natural resources, okay, fossil fuels, and then you can say what we can do in order to conserve. 2 minutes left, come on. This is picture. Make sure that you're not in pictures. Camera. That is. There you go. There you are. Done? Go ahead. Make sure you read the question. The question is right there. How the simulation shows. Remember to speak up. How the simulation shows. One more minute because we have to go to Ms. Cortez's room. Say your comment. Say your comment.
No, just over here.
Try to keep
your pocket folder, all right, in your science notebook. And it was a great class today. We learned about renewable and non-renewable resources and how we need to conserve our fossil fuels. Okay? Good job, guys. The paper, please, you can fold it, put it in the recycle bin, and get ready to leave in the afternoon. We talk about our homework assignment because we need to go.